Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay Rahul from Science CSC. Today we are going to study about probability and statistics, and the topic we are going to cover is regression lines of x on y and y on x on tabulated data. So we have two types of regression lines. There's those you can see here. First of all, y on x and x on y. So let's cover both of these topics. First, y on x, and x on y. So, what are these regression lines? So, for any straight line passing through two different points, let them be x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. The slope will be y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. We all know this topic. And so, likewise, the regression will be for y on x, the regression will be y minus mean of y equals to byx. Here byx is a constant and minus x minus mean of x. And for x on y, we have x minus mean of x equals to bxy. This is also another constant and y minus mean of y. So what are these constants byx and bxy? We gather them here as, so what are these? So the byx can be obtained by, byx can be obtained as, so we can see r into sigma y by sigma x, and bxy can be obtained as r into sigma x by sigma y. So how can we obtain r? Means the product of byx and bxy will be the square of the value of the r. So we have one condition that these product should be less than or equal to 0 or should be less than or equal to 1. That does mean this product has to be between these 0 and 1, and it should not exceed the limit. So since the square of the r lies between 0 and 1, we can easily say that the r value will be between -1 and +1. So we can say that this r value should not exceed -1 and 1. Okay, students. So let's move on to the problem. So we have a tabulated data as x and y values. So the data will be like this. They give us the x and y values and we have to find the regression lines. So we have x values, 5 values, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. And we have y values 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. So let's solve this one. So first of all, so go to this. So for that problem to solve, we need some values. If they give x and y values, we have to find y on x and x on y. For that values, we have the formula y on x, y minus mean of y equals to byx into x minus mean of x. So for that value, we have to find the mean of y and mean of x also. And additionally, we have to find out the values of byx and bxy. We have some other formula to form these byx and bxy. So let's we are given this table, so we are converting this table into another table. So we are obtaining the x values and we are obtaining the y values, and so we all know that mean is nothing but sum of the observations by number of the observations. So we get the mean of x will be 3 and the mean of y will be 3. So we are getting the values x minus mean of x minus mean of x 3. So we have x value 1 minus mean 3 2 1. So we are obtaining the values like this, and y minus mean of y 3 minus 3 0. So we are obtaining the values like this. Okay, students, so we are getting the product of these two, and we are squaring this and we are squaring these values as follows. uh, so we are squaring these values and we are squaring this value. After tabulating the data, note down each and every value like this from the above table. We are getting the mean of x and y as 3 3, and sum of the product of x minus x bar and y minus y bar equals to 1, and y minus y bar square equals to 10, and x minus x bar square equals to 10. So the regression line on x on y will be byx. Byx is nothing but the sum of x minus x bar into y minus y bar all divided by sum of x minus x bar whole square. That is, we are given that values x minus mean of x into y minus mean of x sum equal to 1. 1 divided by x sum of x minus mean of x square equals to 10. Byx will be 0.1, and regression line of x on y bxy equals to sum of x minus mean of x and y minus mean of y, the whole divided by sum of y whole square equals to again 1 by 10. Bxy also 1 by 10 means 0.1, but so the x minus mean of, so y minus y bar value equals to bxy into x minus x bar. We are